In a landmark verdict, the Supreme Court has said that sex with a minor wife is rape. The Supreme Court has said that the lowering of the age from 18 to 15 for intercourse under marriage is unconstitutional. Now, so far as the IPC is concerned, under an exception to Section 375, a man was not guilty if he had sexual intercourse with his wife if she is more than 15 years old. However, the Supreme Court has now changed this and has said that sex with a minor wife is illegal. It is rape if the wife complains, and the wife can complain against the husband within 1 year. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Vaidyanathan for all the details. Vaidya, tell us more about this case. It was over a particular incident that it was brought to the Supreme Court. Give us the background.
The Independent Thought is an NGO which came to the Supreme Court and said there are contradictions in the Indian law. One, IPC says, one of the, as per the Criminal Procedure Code, anything, suppose a sexual intercourse below 18 without consent, it's called a rape. Whereas another IPC provision says that some
All right, well, we will return to Vaidya for more details, but that is the landmark ruling coming in from the Supreme Court that has sought to do away with this confusion in law after it was approached by an NGO. The Supreme Court has ruled that sex with an underage wife is rape, and exempting married women between 15 to 18 years from this rule is unconstitutional. Let's go back to Vaidya for the details.
Yes, there is independent NGO is a petitioner which came to the Supreme Court saying that there is a contradiction in the different provisions of law. They pointed out that anything, sexual intercourse below 18 without consent is rape. Whereas one provision of the law says that if the girl is married and if she is above 15 and below 18, the intercourse won't amount to rape. So of course, child marriage are completely prohibited and banned by law, but even then child marriage still happen. So this has given contradictory view. Now Supreme Court has said that rape is rape. Any intercourse below 18 years without consent is completely rape. So even if a child marriage happens and the wife can give a complaint within an offense, and that intercourse, the intercourse by the husband with that girl who is above 15 and below 18, that will amount to rape. But the girl will have to give the complaint to the police within 1 year. But the Supreme Court made it very, very clear, saying that they are not going into the marital rape issue at all. And secondly, the Supreme Court also said that it's a social evil, though it's banned by law. The mass child marriages are still happening. States will have to take steps to prevent it.
Right. So Vaidya, just explain this to us. On one hand, child marriage is illegal. It's outlawed in our country. But now the Supreme Court ruling on sex within child marriage?
Took it up, heard it on a daily basis, went through all the aspects.
Yes, in fact, see, child marriage, you are right, completely banned. But even then, the child marriages are happening. So keeping in mind that there's already a provision in the IPC, which basically says any sexual intercourse with the wife who is below 18, it won't amount to rape. Now that has been raised to 18 years. Now there's a uniform year of 18, because to get married or to give consent, 18 years is the age for girls. Now in the 15 years there is a contradiction. Now Supreme Court made it very clear, 18 years. So any intercourse with a girl who is below 18 years without consent, that will amount to rape. So what happens to earlier marriages? Nothing will happen, because the judgment comes into effect prospectively from today onwards. But the point here is, even in a child marriage case, the girl will have to complain to the police within 1 year of that offense.
Right, and that would be tricky in implementation of this law, because we know how it is in many parts of the country, in rural areas, for these young girls to actually come forward and complain of rape.
We find the government's argument not well-founded.
Exactly. See, any law is very difficult, and here in this case also, it's very difficult, even though, as I said, law barred child marriages, but still it's happening, that too on mass scale. So under this situation, it's very difficult for the police or even the law authorities to implement the Supreme Court order.